Alrighty, so I decided to do language arts for second graders, and I'm doing a lesson on who, what, where, when, why, and how. I'm going to make sure my lesson would be to make sure that my students are reading and comprehending what they're reading through asking these sorts of questions. So I'd start off so kids, Amazing Grace. You guys are going to read Amazing Grace and you're going to um, ask yourself questions about who, what, where the story is taking place, and those kind of questions, when, why, and how. All right, so you're going to click on this link and it will take you to YouTube. Once you have watched the YouTube video, this lady's going to read you the book called Amazing Grace. You can take notes on anything that you think is important. Remember, students, that it's important to write down questions, write down things that will help you answer questions. So then once you go ahead and pause the video and pause this video and go onto YouTube and listen to the lady read you the book and then come back. All right. Now that you've read the story about Amazing Grace, you're going to answer these different questions. So when we talk about who, we're talking about people. And who is this story about? Who tells Grace that she can't be Peter Pan? Now remember, kids, there's two different people that tell Grace she can't be Peter Pan. I want you to tell me both of the people that tell her that she can't be Peter Pan. Who does Grace end up playing in the play? So I need you to remember these things, and if you have to, you can go back through and watch the video again. What? Now this is a different question that we're asking. What does Grace do in the book? I want you to answer, is it A, B, or C? A says she eats pancakes with her cat. B says plays dress up and pretends to be a lot of characters. Or C, she goes swimming. All right, so I want you to write down your answer on your piece of paper. And then I want you to answer the question, what is the name of the play that the class puts on? If you have to, you can go back and look at other questions. Alrighty. In the story, Grace has a Nana. Her Nana takes her to go and see a dance. I want you to find out where Grace's Nana takes her. When is very important, kids, because it's something that it deals with time, and our lives are ran on time, so it's important that we know when things happen. When did the teacher tell the students that they would do auditions for the play? Remember, if you have any questions on any of these, if you don't know the answer, you can go back through and watch the YouTube video again of the lady reading you the book. Why? Why was Grace sad when she got home from school that day? There was a couple things that happened at school that made Grace sad, so I need you to go and find out why Grace was sad when she got home. Also, why did everyone choose Grace to be Peter Pan in the end? I need you guys to figure that out as well. And how? How come Grace's mom got mad? What did she get mad about as well? And how come Nana took Grace to the Grand Theater? All right, students, I want you to remember that you can go back and click on this link and watch the video as many times as you need to answer all of these questions. You can pause the video at any time and read through the questions again, but just make sure that you know the answers. Goodbye, guys.